Hey guys, I got another pre-order video for you guys. I've done the pre-order videos in the past to give you information about the Enterprise, build the Enterprise D from Eagle Moss, and I've given you the pre-order information when it came to the Polar Lights reissue of the 1/350 scale USS Enterprise. That, of course, came pre-made and required minimal assembly. Well, what I got for you today is we're going to switch gears a little bit. And like most guys my age or science fiction fans my age, we loved our Battlestar Galactica, the real one with Lauren Green, Lost in Space, Buck Rogers, things like that. But those of you that watch my channel know that Star Trek is my absolute favorite. But running a close second is Space 1999. And I always loved the Eagles. And, Space 1999 was unique in the fact that it seemed like it was closer to our time period. Whereas Star Trek, it just seemed so far away, where we're going to have dilithium crystals and warp speed and all that. Space 1999, anyway, for me, seemed a little closer to my lifetime than Star Trek. So what I got, I'm signed up with Fab Gear, and I had gotten the model kit of the shuttlecraft when it was reissued, the new release that just came out a year ago. So I signed up for an account, and when they're selling pre-sale stuff, all the new stuff that comes out, I get notified. So I got something from Fab Gear, and I clicked the link, and it was the Space 1999 Comlock, stun gun model kit. This is from MPC, by the way. It's pre-order, due to arrive late June or mid-July. And when I was a kid, I had the the stun gun, and I remember you pushed a button and made a noise and the lights lit up on the front, and the top part had a flashlight, I believe. And I had that wonderful Mattel Eagle One spaceship. I'll tell you, someday I will get that back, and that's going to be a great video to show you guys when I do get one. But the model kit is for the Comlock and the stun gun, and it's full size. So I'm thinking, wow, that'd be a nice way to maybe get my childhood back, a little piece of it anyway, and I'm going to get one of those, and I'll put lights in it, and I'll see if I can get it to look cool. So that's the MPC model kit. So I was like, oh, that's really cool. So what I do is I look over, and where it says recommended, it says Space 1999 stun gun and Comlock with light and sound. And I'm like, uh-oh, what is that? So I go over to that page, and again, this is in pre-order. All it says is that the product is available for pre-order only. I don't know if you can still get one. It says we are not taking any more orders at this time for this product. But this is the Space 1999 electronic stun gun and Comlock. So I'm looking at the pictures and I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. With this product, it's got the authentic lights and original sound effects. It's got two separate light up communications screens and Comlock, actual dialogue from the classic TV series, stun and kill settings on the gun with two individual sound and light effects. It's a full-size, accurate replica, and it's complete with two Persplex collector display stands. Limited to only 2,000 worldwide. So you think, 2,000, well, that's a lot. But it's not it isn't a lot when it's considered worldwide. Like the 1701 Club from Polar Lights with the Enterprise, there was only 1,701 of those made. And it's not very often. I mean, yes, you do see one once in a while on eBay, but it's not really common. So this was limited to 2,000. And of course, I had to place my order because this just blew my mind. I ended up getting the model and the stun gun and the Comlock, the electronic one. So So altogether, it was $355.68. And that, I got the Space 1999 Comlock and Stun Gun model kit. This product will be available for pre-order only, due out mid-July. The SKU is MPC941, and that sold for $41.99. The other item I got was a Space 1999 Stun Gun and Comlock with light and sound. This product is available pre-order only, and the SKU is DSC1, and that was $299.95. The shipping was $13.74, and I had to keep in mind the tax, so the grand total was $355.68. And I don't know if they're still taking orders, but I'll put the link down below in the description if you want to see, if you want to get one. Fab gear, sci-fi toys, and collectibles from around the world. New arrivals: Space 1999, Comlock and Stun Gun set model kit. These will be arriving very soon. Get yours before it's too late. This is the model kit, not a pre-built, that are very close to being sold out already. Pre-order now. Stocks are low. That's the model kit. And the electronic Stun Gun and Comlock with lights and sound. Space 1999 action figure and vehicle collection. Faithful, full-size scale replica of the studio prop as used in the TV show Space 1999. Original dialogue from the TV show, authentic light-up details, original sound effects, illuminated Comlock monitor with changing graphics. So this is going to be pretty cool. And the stun gun, you can set to stun and you can set to kill. And it brings me back to the one that I had as a kid. You opened up the handle, and I think it was 2 C batteries, I'm not sure, that went into the stun gun. And they got the Space 9. I'm glad to see the Space 1999 stuff coming back. The package is pretty cool. I don't know if this is actually going to be the package or not, but Moonbase Alpha Stun Gun and Comlock with lights and authentic sound effects. And this is going to be really fun. I can't wait to get this in. And the model kit as well. But again, I'll put it in the description if you want a link to it. And I'll show you guys the website that you can go to. Like I said, I don't know if they're taking any more orders. If not, for the electronics or the model kit, because there was a warning at the bottom that said it was almost sold out. I'm looking at the box art for the model kits. Comlock Stun Gun plastic model kit from MPC. I hope that's not the picture that they go with, because Dr. Helena Russell looks okay, but Commander Koenig looks weird. That's not a good depiction of him. So I hope that they do a little bit of a better depiction of our beloved Commander Koenig, because that the one that's on the box now doesn't do him justice, in my opinion. But that's the model kit and the electronic Comlock and Stun Gun. And I just wanted to share this video with you to make you guys aware that this is available right now. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And like I said, if you want one, go get the link before it's too late, before they're sold out. And I'll see you guys again in another video. Thanks for watching.